Today I'm going to do a review on a new zippo I just got. It was made in 1963. There is a patent number on the bottom of here, and there is also two small dots on this side of the logo and one small dot on this side. It is in almost perfect condition. The shine's still there, except the top has a few little nicks and things in there. Other than that, it's perfect. I haven't got a flint in it yet. It still has the original wick. And yeah, I also have some other zippos. You just get them. Okay, here is my other zippos. Here we have a 1951, I believe it is, zippo. You guys can't really see that, but it does say zippo. Okay, there's that one. And next we have a 1964 Zippo Slim with, you can't really see it, but it says Florin, I think it says on there, on the front. It's in working condition. I have a wick in there. There's no flint though. There's that one. The only problem with the 1951 model is that the barrels and the hinges have been broken and the pin has been lost. So it's a bit wobbly, and it's also still a bit dirty at the moment. But it also has no wick in it. But it has flint, it sparks, the case is fine. It's just usual tear, or wear and tear. Yeah. There's that one. And then I have the oldest lighter that I own is a 1937 Zippo. It has different logo to all of these Zippos. Okay. It has the patent number of 2062695. Okay. You can even still see the patent in there was actually an engraved patent in the front of the case, on the case. It's got a bit of corrosion, not really corrosion, just a bit of a build up here. I've got most of it off, but yeah, this was working. It still does work. I've just got no fluid for it at the moment, but it is in almost perfect condition. Okay, these are my older Zippos that I own at the moment. I'm looking on getting a 1932 replica, but I just don't have the money for it right now. Yeah, so these are my older Zippo video, or these are my older Zippos that I've done a video on. I may have a short video on each Zippo. So I'll see you guys later.